Hello everyone, my name is Nima Safa and today I want to show you how to make more income on your rented property using post-handover payment plan. First of all, what is post-handover payment plan? Post-handover payment plan refers to the payment method for off-plan properties that portion of or percentage of the payment would be during the construction and the rest of them would be over 4, 5 or 6 years or if 3 years, depends on the developer and the offer they have. So this is what we call a post-handover payment plan. In this case, today, I want to show you a live example about our own project which is located in Dubai Marina. This project has 4 years post-handover payment plan. Means you pay 10% on reservation of the apartment, 10% after 6 months of purchasing the apartment, 30% of total amount when the key is ready, and 50% would be payable over 4 years every 6 months. All right, to start, I chose a 945 square foot, 1-bedroom apartment in one of the most luxurious projects we have. Now, in this chart, I want to show you how you can maximize or receive net rental yield up to 11%. Make sure either you save this video on Instagram or take a screenshot because this information are very important. Let's start from this way. The selling price of the apartment is 1.6 million dirham. All right. If you want to buy this apartment, you have to pay 10% to the developer, which is 160,000 dirham. After 6 months, you pay another 10%, which is another 160,000 dirham. On completion and handover of the key, you pay 30% of total amount, which is 480,000 dirham. By considering you pay this all amount, there is no brokerage, there is no tax, there is no Dubai land apartment payment. So this is the only payment you have done, and your key is ready to rent your apartment. Expectation for rental for this apartment is 115,000 dirham, but this is not the full money you put it in your pocket. Why? Because you have to deduct service charge that you're paying. So your this amount minus this amount is 89,485 dirham net in your pocket, which is 11% net rental yield for the first year. After that, after 1 year, you pay 12.5% to developer, which is 200,000 dirham. By doing the same math, you made 9% net income in your apartment. Second year, you follow the same percentage, same amount, and you have 7%. Third year, same amount, same percentage, but here you have less because more money you pay, less you receive. What is happening is, on a third and fourth year, you will receive 6% net in your pocket, which is still amazing net rental income. So, by considering at the end of the fourth year, which you pay 100% of the money, which is 1.6 million dirham, you have made 39% net income in your pocket. Versus, if you were not using this payment plan and you were just paying everything here cash upfront, you only could make 30%. Which one would you go for it? 39% or 30%? This is 9% extra net income in your pocket. Thank you so much.